What should we do today, boo-boo? I don't know. So much to get done. Pretty nice right now, isn't it, boo? Before the snow starts flying again. Yeah, it's nice to be outside. Fresh air smells so good. Where you going, boo? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm frying up some onions with some more salmon, and then I have some potatoes going in the microwave. So not too much going on today. I don't have any clients, so I'm home today just cleaning and doing some of this and that. But hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching. My husband brought home some chicken from Sam's Club tonight, so I thought I would chop it up because it makes my room in the refrigerator instead of in the two big containers. So here are the dogs. I get a kick out of them. They always make sure they watch and to see if they get a treat afterwards. So LOL. But I don't know what I'm going to make with the chicken yet, but we'll have to see. Maybe chicken soup again, or make different things like chicken sandwiches or something. We'll figure it out. Sip. Good sip. Well, I'll end here for today, but thanks for watching, and sorry it's a shorter vlog. When the fishing season's done and the outdoor activities end, it seems like my vlogs will probably get shorter, but I do have a little surprise in mind, a little trip that I might take this Saturday. So stay tuned and I hope you can come along. The quote of the day is,